Hey everybody, I'm Mariah and welcome back to my channel. And then today I'm going to be doing a review on this NYX Beauty School Dropout book thing. It's like a palette and it's the Back to the Basics one, review slash demo and a first impressions, because one, I've never even tried NYX NYX cosmetics before, so I'm really pumped about that. I'll let you know how I feel about it, and yeah, so let me show you what it looks like. So this is what the cover looks like. And it's like a little book. It has like a strap, you know, like a book, like a binder or something like that would have. Open it up, and it has this side. There's a mirror, and then a day and night look. And then you open it up again, and it has 2 bronzers, 2 highlighters, and 3 blushes. And then I think 36 eyeshadows. Let me move that for you. So yeah, and this was I got this for $17, so I think that's a really good deal. 35 eyeshadows, my bad. I'm just gonna see what I can do with it. Of course, I'm going to try out a blush, I'm gonna try out a bronzer, and I'm gonna try out a highlighter. I always like to start with my eyeshadow, so I'm gonna be taking the Maybelline Cover Stick and putting that on my eyelid. And I am gonna bring it up because I am doing putting on foundation. You guys probably don't even want to see this part, so I'm just going to blend it out and then we'll get right on in to the eyeshadows. I think I want to do like a pretty summery eyeshadow look. I'm going to be taking... I'm going to be focusing this on the crease and kind of the outer corner. So far, I really like this color. It's super pretty and it's a really good transition shade. I'm going to be taking these 2 browns right here. Just mixing them on my crease. I'm going to be using a little bit more of a dense brush. I really like the color. I wasn't expecting it. It kind of goes good with the other eyeshadows. I'm just going to pack a little bit more on. So far those were all matte. Now we're going to be trying out a shimmer. Pretty, and like it kind of opens your eyes. I love this color. I don't think I have a color like this. So far this is what it looks like. Take a little bit more of that brown color and kind of blend them better together. And there we go, there's the eyes. Primer, always. Using the All May Line Smoothing Foundation. Nicole Guerrero pat in with a brush, and I was like, I should try that because sometimes I don't like brushes, sometimes I don't like beauty blenders. Really just depends. But so far I really like this technique. I'm going to be using that DHC powder. I still don't know what company this is. It is an amazing powder. I put liquid eyeliner on, I want to finish up the lower lash line. So to do that, we're just going to be taking the same, all three of those brown colors and smoking it underneath the eye. Okay, I'm going to put on some liquid eyeliner, and that's really hard for me to film. I use this e.l.f. one. Finished up the eyeliner. Let's move on to the rest of the palette, which is bronzer. So it's pretty, but it's kind of orangey. Looks a lot better. So yeah, I really like the palette's really good so far. So if it was only $16.99 at Ross, so I mean it might be like 30 bucks. I think it said compared to 35 bucks, but I got a really good deal on it. But if you guys happen to see it, I would still definitely pick it up. It is really good. I really like the bronzer and I really like the eyeshadow. Let's finish this look up with some blush. Of course I need mascara and I need some lipstick. Oh, and there's highlighter. Okay. Next we're going to be trying out a blush. Let me look at all the blushes and pick one. I think I want to go with, it's kind of a mess now that I've used it. I'm going to go with this pink. So here's the side with blush. Here's the side without blush. It's kind of hard to see because the light is pointing more this way. But I'm just going to use a e.l.f. tapered blush. e.l.f. tapered brush. I use the second one. They're both super shimmery. These are the highlighters. And I'm going to use this, the first. Technically it's the second one. But this one, it looks a little lighter. Very pretty. I'm going to add pop some mascara on just so the look, so I could see it all look put together. So I'm just going to curl my lashes, put some mascara on, and be back, because you guys probably don't want to see that, because this is a review on No, I'm using two Lancome mascaras. First is the high definition mascara, and then the other one is excessive volume. I don't think I like this with this look. This Dior lip gloss in pink, and it's just a pink lip gloss. I definitely don't think this lip goes with it, but that's okay. But let's just give an my overall review on this book. The NYX Beauty School Dropout, and it's back to the basics. My thoughts on the eyeshadows is they're really good. This is definitely, I feel like this is definitely more of like a fall book, because there's not very many springy colors besides that gold, summer, that gold, maybe a little bit, but all of these are super vampy and dark, but I really do like them. They're really good quality. The last thing is the bronzers, the highlighters, and the blushes. I really like the blush. It's pretty, but I really do like I'll show you. This blush right here is the prettiest blush, so I'm not really the biggest fan of this blush, but they're still really pretty, and they're still really nice, and I really like this bronzer on the bottom. This one has sparkles, but I'll still give it a try, and I don't think I'll ever use this gold highlight color, but it's still pretty. So yeah, that's my overall review and my demo. I really like it, and if you guys like it, I would definitely check it out and get one of these. I don't know if these are still even around or anything like that, but yeah, I really like it. My final thought is a big thumbs up. This is the final eye look. Check in a couple hours and tell you how the eyeshadow wears and the blush and everything like that. So if I do, I'll keep this in. If I don't, I won't. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and let me know if you want me to review anything else, because I will totally do that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, so it's been a couple hours. I put my makeup on around 12. It is 3 now, and it still looks really good. I changed the lipstick. I was telling you guys I didn't like the lip, but yeah, this is the outcome after a couple hours, and I just kind of wanted to take it off and relax, even though it's 3. Yeah, but yeah, I still recommend. It's really good. It all lasts really good. The eyeshadow still looks really good. I actually really like the blush after all. So yeah. What do you guys think? Let me know.